Okay, you guys, I had a craving and I really wanted a mudslide, and so this is what I threw together, and it came out absolutely amazing, so I had to share. So all I did was drizzle my glass in some chocolate. I have my shaker with ice. I am going to use the Coconut Ciroc Vodka, which was the game changer for this. And all you need is your favorite dark coffee liqueur and a heavy cream, and I actually am using like a coconut cream. So the coconut flavor is just coming out in this, and it's so good. So you just want to add your dark coffee flavored liqueur, your heavy cream, and your coconut Ciroc vodka. It comes out so good. You guys are gonna love this. And just shake it up. And there you have it, you guys. Oh my goodness. This came out so good. You are gonna love it. It's like the perfect drink. I love mudslides, and this did it for me. So definitely try this out. You're gonna love it. It came out so good. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Enjoy.